Today I'm going to show you how you can add extra pocket in any uniform or any t-shirt if you want. Mostly people want extra pocket inside uniform. So this is the uniform of the TTC worker. So he wants me to place a pocket inside the uniform. So he gave it to me the extra unuseful t-shirt as well. So I cut that the size of the pocket and I measured according to the previous pocket. So you have to make sure that you place the pocket exactly the size of the front pocket. So you can see that how I measured the size and then I pin it up and I cut the extra fabric, and you can see after that I iron this part to make it clean look, and after that I attach with the double-sided adhesive. It's a fabric adhesive, so you apply heat on it and it stick with the fabric, so it's easy to place the pocket. You can see that how I'm doing it. After applying heat and attach the adhesive, as you can see this pocket is ready to now place, and this is the inside pocket. So I have to overlap the pocket and I want to make sure it's exactly the under the previous pocket, because I'm going to do the top stitch that is already on the front side, and to make sure I also attach the adhesive to stick. You need to stick the pocket because the pocket will move when you are going to stitch, so this thing will make sure that the pocket is on place and it will not move when you are going to stitch. And now it's the final part. You can see that the pocket is already has top stitch. So what you are going to do, you have to do the same top stitch again on the same spot, so it will stitch underneath the pocket as well. So you can see that I am using the same stitch guide and doing the top stitch again, so it will stitch underneath pocket as well.